Hello, welcome back to your channel Computer Masti with Ganga. Today in this video, I would like to share with you jumping game in Scratch. So stay tuned with me and get started. So first of all, open your Scratch software. Here is your Scratch software. So for this program for jumping game we need three things. So first one sprite, one chick we are taking, then second an egg we are taking, and the third one, that is background. Okay, what I am taking. Now I am changing the place of this chick. So this is our starting point. So go to event, take this space bar, and then go to motion and use this go to option. Now this script will help us to make a particular position for the sprite. Second thing, egg. An egg, yes, I am taking here. So go to events, green flag, use this motion and go to this. Okay, then now the first one, this chick, we need to make it jump up and down. So for up, x plus, and for down, for up, y plus, and for down, y minus. Yes, okay. For the horizontal thing, we generally take x-axis. For the vertical thing, we take y-axis. So change y by plus 10 for the up and minus 10. We will need to make it minus 10. It is down. Okay. So we need to repeat this for 10 times for jumping up, 10 times for jumping down. Stick together all these things. Now see. Okay, space bar key. Okay, first part done. That is jumping. Now the second thing, we need to move this egg towards the left hand side. Okay, we need to move this egg towards the chick. So first of all, I am resizing the size of this egg. Sorry. Okay, then resize it. Now after this, just little bit you have to take your press your left mouse button and drag towards the left hand side and keep it here. Now go to motion block and use this glide option. Okay, yes, now see, when we click on the green flag, see it is okay. Second part done. Okay, now I want to take more obstacles, so just right click on this and make a duplicate. Okay, done. Okay, now see, again click here, green flag. Okay, only one egg is coming. Now you can see here we have two eggs, but the script is same, that's why it is not showing the another one. So for the next one, what we have to do, go to events. In the beginning we need to hide this sprite, so go to this one, make it hide after 1 second. After 1 second we need to show this sprite again. Okay, yes, now see the difference. Okay, again it is showing only one egg. Yes, now it is coming here. So we need to make it forever. The biggest chocolate in the world. Yo, then yes, now see. Okay, but these two eggs are coming together. So what we need to do, go to this glide option and make it 3 seconds. So it will see. Now see the difference. Okay, now the next thing is, if this obstacle, okay, if these sprites, these eggs will touch this check, we need to stop our program. Okay, so what we need to do, go to this egg, use this green flag, use this wait until, yes, wait, it will wait until this chick will touch this egg. Okay, so touching, we need to take wait until touching, and here we need to make it, yes, check. Okay, yes, so we need to stop this program. Yes, we will stop this program. Now this one we need to repeat until and unless we stop. Yes, now same sprite we need to make it for this egg too. So use this wait until, use this forever, and go to events, take this green flag. From here sensing, use this one. Okay, check, and the forever I have already taken. Now see the difference. Now they are coming. I'm okay. Yeah. Now see, it is stopping. Okay. So now the next one, that is score. Yes, score. So for this, click on this check, and we need to make a variable. Yes, make a variable for this sprite. Make a variable score. Yes, we will add a score. Now you can see here score, it is showing on the stage top left corner. Yes, so now in the beginning we need this score 0. We need to score as a 0, set as a 0. Okay, and once we make it jump, so you have to change your variable score by 1. So now see, click on this green flag. Now see the score is changing. See the score, you can see the score here. Yes, it is working, you can see. Yes, now one interesting thing. Okay, click on this egg. Okay, now from here go to costume, okay, delete other these other costumes, take this egg. Now from here click on this, choose a costume option, and from here suppose I am taking these food items. First one apple I have taken, go to food item, then banana, then I have taken this, then go to food, you can take, okay, so whatever you want to take you can just take as an obstacle, just you have to add in your costumes. Okay, and then you can see the difference. Okay, now click on this act 2, delete all these other costumes. Again for this I am taking other obstacles. Yes, You can take anything you want. Okay, yes, suppose food I have taken, I am now going to fashion. Yes, I am taking, okay, shoes. Not, I'm not taking shoes. Okay, go to food. Yes, change the size of this sprite. Okay, now one thing we need to add, that is costume. Okay, you have to just switch the costume and make it the next costume for both the sprites, so it will change the costume. Now see, this is the script for this sprite and this is the script for this sprite. So when we click on the green flag, now see, it is changing. Yes, so we need to change the size of this sprite a little bit smaller. Okay, change your sprite size and make it 40. 40 is also big, make it 30. Okay, now see, okay, now it is. If you like this game, so please like and subscribe my channel Computer Masti with Ganga. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.